How to fix Garmin watch not receiving text notifications. First, enable show previews on iPhone. Many iPhone users discovered that Garmin won't show text alerts unless show previews is set to always. Go to Settings, Notifications, Messages, and ensure Notification Center is checked and show previews is set to always. Second, enable share system notifications in Bluetooth settings. On iOS, make sure that in your Bluetooth settings under the Garmin Watch's info entry, share system notifications is on. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your Garmin, and enable sharing system notifications. Third, manage app notifications in Garmin Connect. Open Garmin Connect, go to Settings, Notifications, then App Notifications, and enable the Messages app. In Android, also enable notification access for Garmin Connect. Fourth, check phone notification settings. Your phone must allow Garmin to pass notifications. On iOS, messages must have notification center enabled. On Android, exclude Garmin Connect from battery optimization and allow background activity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.